Welcome to SSB Doubts. Understand the PPDT and TAT by examples. Example. Observe the picture
carefully. Pause the video and make your story. High-level idea. Sita was from a village background and she had always wanted to do something for the development of her village. She saw that the village's education facilities were poor and qualified teachers preferred to work in the city and in good schools. She joined a B.Ed course and studied well. During the training period, she visited the library every day and gained a great deal of knowledge. She also learned modern teaching methods and eventually graduated from the college.
After her training, she came back to the village and started teaching children at the government school.
Qualities demonstrated: good reasoning skills, difficult level of problem solving, responsible, determined, taking appropriate decisions. Story 2. Average level idea. Sita wanted to be a lawyer. Being from a humble background, she found that ordinary people are unable to engage qualified lawyers during times of trouble. She prepared well for her LLB exam and got admission into a law college. During her college life, she developed the habit of going through case histories thoroughly and gained a lot of knowledge. Finally, after her degree, she practiced under a reputable lawyer and served people with professionalism. Qualities demonstrated: social concern, average level of problem solving, responsible, determined, and willing to help others.
Thanks, subscribe and keep watching for such videos. If you have any doubts regarding SSB interview,
then visit the playlist section.
Join us on other social platforms, link in bio.